Our researchers are already working on crops that are, saltwater tolerant. In fact, we have rice varieties. Is that correct?
Yeah.
That can withstand certain levels of salinity. And then we have our traditional crops that have always been there and have shown resilience over the thousands of years. So we are also trying to, instead of coming up with too many hybrids, we would rather just propagate the traditional varieties that we have, because these are varieties that have stood the test of time. In coconuts, we have the Fiji talks. We also have the new Laka Dof. These are varieties that have been there for thousands of years. We have the Nyundamu Niviti. And then we have other crops that our forefathers used to rely on after a natural disaster. I was brought up in my mother's province in Riau. So there are varieties of yams that exist in the swamps. And after one natural disaster, we'll be sent to dig for these. And then you have the giant taro. These are varieties of crops that have withstood the test of time. They were there, they will be there, and they will always be there. So we are fortunate that we have these varieties.